know, my commute can get kind of dull after a while. It's amazing, but from Grand Junction to Delta, it's just a straight line, pretty much. So I've been wanting to find a back route home in the foothills of the Grand Mesa, and looks like I found it. I am the only one out here. There is nobody that I can